a little redhead, suffering from bad head, probably cause she just rolled out of her bed. And she puts on some slippers, they resemble a kitten, and then she walks down the hall just to get to the kitchen. There's nothing to eat. Come on. I arrive on the scene,
looking out fresh as the evergreen.
she stopped and smiled at me.
What in the world are we gonna eat?
Well, I thought honestly
We had some leftover gravy.
I shouldn't have spent my money
On all that never meant me.
and as we're contemplating, she has a revelation and grabs a paper plate and heads over to the freezer. I wonder what she's thinking. Her hair begins to straighten. It's over to the freezer. My stomach begins to burn. I don't know what to think. What could all this be about? She gives me a wink, and then she pulled out microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. 50 seconds later and I'm good. Microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. 50 seconds later and I'm good. Guess you can have another, just bring me the peanut butter, cause I'm drowning in a syrup, so beautiful I'm my tear up. I'm gonna make some bacon, but don't know how long it's taking, but if it's taking too long, the bacon will catch fire just like the sun. Pancakes will be fine, but that's not really what I had in mind. If you've got the time, figure out why this next word doesn't fit. Microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. 50 seconds later and I'm good. Microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. Microwavable waffles. 50 seconds later and I'm good. It's impossible to think